Small space planning is definitely a challenge, but there are definitely options out there in the marketplace today that offer form and function as well as style for a small space. Again, first, you measure your room, length and width, and the walls, the fixed walls in your space, because your fixed walls will be where you're going to put your main pieces of furniture. If you do not have big enough fixed walls and you need to float furniture, then you want to consider the main walkway through that space and allocate at least 3 feet for traffic flow throughout that space. If you are floating furniture, make sure that the length of the item is 1/3 the width of the room, because you have to consider, for instance, in a sofa, that you need to put tables next to that sofa, be it 16-inch martini tables or regular 18 to 20-inch side tables. So once you measure out that space, you'll be able to determine exactly what you can fit into that space, considering that you need space for your main walkway in and around the room, as well as between the furniture items. The main walkway, just to reiterate, is 2 to 3 feet, and space between your furniture items should be 1.5 feet. I hope this helps.